Proton exerts a force on a proton which is gravitational, electromagnetic, nuclear, or last weak force. So a proton exerts a force on proton. So this is proton. Proton exerts a force on proton. So Q1 equals to E plus E proton. Q2 also equals to plus E. Q1 equals to plus E. Q2 equals to plus E. Mass of proton is how much? Mass of proton equals to how much? Mass of proton is 1.67 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Mass of proton is 1.67 10 to the power minus 27 kg. So this is the mass of proton. So a proton exerts a force on proton which is gravitational. Yes, gravitational force is applicable. Yes, gravitational force is applicable because mass is there, because gravitational force varies directly to mass of proton into mass of proton. Yes, gravitational force is there, it is applicable. Second, electromagnetic force is applicable. Yes, charge is there, so electromagnetic force is applicable. Electromagnetic because electromagnetic force varies directly to the charge E, then charge E. Electromagnetic force varies directly to the charge Q1 into Q2. So electromagnetic force varies directly to Q1 into Q2. Bit C, nuclear force. So gravitational force varies directly to the masses. Electromagnetic force varies directly to the charge. Nuclear force, yes, nuclear force is applicable. Nuclear force is also applicable if separation is less than 10 to the power minus 14 meter. So nuclear force is applicable if separation is less than 10 to the power minus 14 meter. And yes, nuclear force is applicable, so this is the strongest force in nature. As nuclear force is applicable, as it is the strongest force in nature. And bit D, weak force is not applicable because nuclear force already applicable, which is strongest in nature. So option D is not applicable. So in this case, option A, B, C are correct. In this case, option A, B, C are correct. In this case, option A, B, C are correct.